First, let's take a quick look at how the Minimap works in the viewer. As I move around the scene, you can see the Minimap in the bottom left corner. This project has 2 levels, and the Minimap automatically switches between them depending on my height in the building. That makes it much easier to navigate between different floors or sections of the model. Now let's see how to set this up in the editor. In the Minimap tab, the Minimap is disabled by default. To turn it on, just click the Enable checkbox. The Minimap will appear in the bottom left corner of the viewer. Here you can customize how the Minimap looks. You can change the outline color and its thickness, or disable the outline completely by setting the thickness to 0. You can also enable fill, which fills small closed areas with the outline color. Below, you'll find the Levels section. The first level is created automatically based on the initial camera position. You can add new levels using the plus button, rearrange them with the arrows, or remove them if needed. Each level can have its own name: slice plane height, far plane height, rotation, and crop settings. The slice plane controls which part of the model is visible on the Minimap, and the camera height will match this level when navigating. Rotation lets you turn the Minimap, and crop limits the visible area. With these settings, you can create clear, multi-level Minimaps that make navigation easier for your viewers.